Welcome to Drops on Elites. How are you guys doing? So today I'll be talking about this testnet called Somnia. So I'll be showing you guys all you need to know about this testnet and then how to do it as well. So now a brief introduction for this Somnia testnet. Now this testnet was launched on February 21st, that was last month. So it's still live and it's a good one that everyone can jump into. Okay, so now to sign up for this particular testnet, the link is down there in the description. So you want to just go over here, click on it, and then have access to this particular page. Now for you to sign up, you'll be needing your MetaMask wallet to connect. So once you just come over here, connect your MetaMask wallet. I've already done mine. So now once you connect, next thing you have to do is that there are a few things you have to do here. So the first thing you have to do first is that you have to claim your faucet token. So once you come over here, after connecting, come over to this place, click on this link, and then have to then claim. So now as you can see, I already claimed mine. I have to come back in the next 24 hours to claim the next one. But if you have any error message while claiming, you have to keep trying until you we're able to get this token. Okay, so that's the first thing. So the second thing you have to do now is that after claiming, you have to send token. So once you come over here, you click on this send token. You have to select any member from the team, from the Somnia team. So once you just come over here, click and then select the amount that you want to send to the person and then proceed. Okay, now my own is still processing, so that's the second thing you have to do here. Now after you are done with this one, next thing you have to do now is that you have to swap. Okay, so once you come over here to swap from PING to PONG, so do the swapping immediately. They are very easy to do. Just click on it, swap. Now the next thing you have to do here is that you have to join in the meme coin contest. Okay, so once you just come over here, participate, and then the next thing you have to do now is to join in this Somnia Explorer, join the Discord, start the deploying. So all these ways, all these things stacks here, they're very easy to do. Just follow the step-by-step guide. Just click on it, make sure that you come. But the next one is very important, is joining this quest. So once you come over here, click on this quest, you have to have access to this particular page. Now once you come over here, you have three quests that you have to, three campaigns you have to engage with. So ensure that you partake in these campaigns. They are very easy to do. Just follow the instructions. They're very easy tasks to do. So all these things here, do it and position yourself for this particular testnet. So everything you have here, they are very easy to do. So just complete these tasks and then as you do that, you are positioning yourself for this particular Somnia testnet. So now the next thing you have to do is ensure that you join them in the Twitter page. Come over here, follow them. They normally drop day by day, daily updates. So ensure that you follow so that you can be able to see the updates, and then ensure also that you follow them in their Discord page as well, so that you'll be seeing what the community is doing and then partake in whatever they have to offer as well too. So now that's all for this particular testnet Somnia. Everything you need to know you're having here, but the ones that are still going to come up, I will do well to ensure that you guys know about it. So please, if you are here to join, please subscribe to this page, turn on your notification bell so that if there's any updates, you have it in